Can you make me as a cat with long hair, please? Could you draw a black cat on its tablet watching YouTube and he's traumatized?